Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the lives of the biggest stars on YouTube. Today, we have something special for you as we dive into the extraordinary journey of the one and only PewDiePie. Felix Kjellberg, aka PewDiePie, has become a global sensation, amassing millions of subscribers and revolutionizing the world of online entertainment. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind PewDiePie's rise to fame and why he's adored by millions worldwide. Early life and YouTube beginnings. Before conquering the internet, PewDiePie was just a regular guy with a passion for gaming and making people laugh. Born on October 24, 1989, in Gothenburg, Sweden, Felix Kjellberg started his YouTube journey in 2010. He posted his first ever video showcasing his gaming skills and unique sense of humor, and little did he know that this was the beginning of something monumental. Let's Play videos and rise to stardom. Host, PewDiePie's Let's Play videos became an instant hit among viewers. His infectious energy and genuine reactions to horror games like Amnesia and Slender Man quickly earned him a devoted fan base. As he continued to produce engaging content, his subscriber count skyrocketed. Memes, challenges, and comedy. PewDiePie's channel became more than just gaming. He embraced meme culture, participated in internet challenges, and explored a variety of content genres, from vlogs to reaction videos. His ability to evolve with the times and keep his content fresh contributed to his sustained popularity. The Bro Army and charity work. PewDiePie's fans, also known as the Bro Army, played a significant role in his success. Their unwavering support and loyalty turned him into a genuine internet icon. Additionally, PewDiePie has used his platform for good, participating in various charity initiatives and raising awareness for important causes. Highlight moments of PewDiePie engaging with his fans and contributing to charity events. Controversies and media attention. Host, with great fame comes great scrutiny. PewDiePie faced his fair share of controversies, from off-color jokes to conflicts with traditional media outlets. Despite the challenges, he managed to navigate the storm, apologize when necessary, and learn from his mistakes. Discuss some of the controversies and how PewDiePie responded. PewDiePie vs. T-Series, the race to 100 million subscribers. One of the most memorable moments in YouTube history was the race between PewDiePie and T-Series, an Indian music label, to become the first channel to reach 100 million subscribers. The whole internet rallied behind PewDiePie, creating an unforgettable phenomenon. Impact and legacy. PewDiePie's impact on YouTube and internet culture cannot be overstated. He has paved the way for countless creators and inspired a new generation of YouTubers. His authenticity, humor, and dedication to his craft have left a lasting legacy on the platform. Discuss PewDiePie's influence on YouTube and the wider internet. And there you have it, the incredible journey of PewDiePie, a YouTuber who transformed gaming videos into a global phenomenon. From his humble beginnings to becoming YouTube's most subscribed individual creator, PewDiePie's story is one of resilience, creativity, and an unbreakable bond with his fans. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, PewDiePie, whose real name is Felix Arvindolf Kjellberg, is a family man. He is married to Marzia Kjellberg, née Yin, an Italian internet personality, fashion designer, and entrepreneur. Felix and Marzia met online in 2011, and their relationship blossomed over time. They had a long-distance relationship before finally meeting in person and spending time together. In April 2018, the couple got engaged, and they tied the knot later that year in August 2019 in a private ceremony in London. Marzia is also a well-known personality on YouTube, where she has her own successful channel with a focus on lifestyle, fashion, and beauty content. She gained a significant following independently of her association with PewDiePie. As of 2021, the couple resided together in the United Kingdom, where they shared their lives and adventures through social media. They often posted pictures and updates about their travels, experiences, and time spent with their pets. It's important to note that family dynamics and personal situations can change over time. For the most current information about PewDiePie's family life, I recommend checking their social media profiles or recent news articles. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, PewDiePie, or Felix Kjellberg, is known for several famous creative endeavors beyond his YouTube career. Here are some of his notable projects. Book, This Book Loves You. In 2015, PewDiePie released his first book titled This Book Loves You. The book is a comedic collection of inspirational quotes, doodles, and humorous advice. It became a bestseller and was well received by his fans. Video game, PewDiePie, Legend of the Brofist. PewDiePie ventured into the gaming industry by collaborating with developers to create his own video game. Released in 2015, PewDiePie, Legend of the Brofist is a 2D side-scrolling action-adventure game featuring PewDiePie as the main character. The game incorporates elements from his YouTube persona and has been popular among his fans. Clothing and merchandise line, PewDiePie launched his own merchandise line, offering a wide range of products such as clothing, accessories, and home goods featuring his logo, catchphrases, and other elements related to his brand. The merchandise line has been a commercial success and is loved by his followers. Charity work, PewDiePie has actively participated in various charity initiatives and fundraising campaigns. He has used his platform to raise awareness and funds for causes he's passionate about, including environmental issues, mental health, and children's charities. Meme reviews. One of PewDiePie's signature content series is his meme review, where he shares and reacts to internet memes submitted by his viewers. This series has become extremely popular and has contributed to the proliferation of internet meme culture. Music. PewDiePie has released several songs and music videos. Notably, in 2019, he released the diss track Congratulations as a response to his battle for the title of the most subscribed channel on YouTube against T-Series. The song humorously addresses the competition and the cultural significance of his channel. It's worth noting that Felix Kjellberg's creative projects might have expanded and evolved beyond these examples since my last update. As with any internet personality, his projects and activities are subject to change, so I recommend checking his official social media accounts or recent news articles for the latest information on his creative endeavors. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, PewDiePie, or Felix Kjellberg, was one of the highest-earning YouTubers globally. However, it's important to note that income figures can vary significantly due to factors such as ad revenue fluctuations, sponsorship deals, merchandise sales, and other business ventures. PewDiePie's main source of income came from various YouTube monetization channels, including ad revenue generated from the views on his videos. As one of the most popular YouTubers, his videos garnered millions of views, leading to substantial advertising earnings. Apart from YouTube revenue, PewDiePie also had sponsorship deals with various brands and companies. These deals involved promoting products or services in his videos, and he was paid for endorsing these products to his massive audience. Furthermore, PewDiePie had a merchandise line that included clothing, accessories, and other products related to his brand. Sales from his merchandise line also contributed significantly to his overall earnings. Additionally, PewDiePie diversified his income streams through other ventures, such as book deals, collaborations with game developers, and even a mobile game based on his persona. It's worth mentioning that income figures can change rapidly due to the dynamic nature of YouTube and influencer marketing. As of 2021, estimates suggested that PewDiePie's annual earnings ranged from several million to tens of millions of dollars. For the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding PewDiePie's earnings, I recommend checking recent sources, financial reports, and news articles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our future episodes. Let us know in the comments which YouTuber you'd like us to cover next. Until then, keep spreading positivity, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome.